Sophia Loren is still a shining example of grace and elegance at the age of 88. What is her secret for maintaining her health and living a long life, then? Said Sophia Loren, my guiding ideas have been eating well and exercising frequently. I think it's important to eat healthy foods and exercise often. Sophia consumes a varied diet full of nutritious grains, lean proteins, fresh fruits, and veggies. She stresses the significance of moderation and portion management. Sophia Loren claimed that she has always been conscious of her eating habits. It involves appreciating food while being aware of how it affects her well-being. Sophia Loren's favorite food and drink are known to be traditional Italian dishes. As an Italian actress, she has a deep appreciation for the rich flavors and culinary heritage of her country. One of her favorite foods is pasta, a staple of Italian cuisine. Whether it's spaghetti, linguine, or penne, Sophia Loren has expressed her love for well-prepared pasta dishes. She enjoys the combination of al dente pasta with flavorful sauces, such as tomato-based marinara or creamy carbonara. In addition to pasta, Sophia Loren has a fondness for fresh seafood. Growing up near the coast of Naples, she developed a taste for dishes like grilled fish, calamari, and seafood risotto. The vibrant flavors and the natural bounty of the sea hold a special place in her heart. As for her preferred drink, Sophia Loren often enjoys a glass of wine, particularly Italian wines like Chianti or Barolo. Wine is deeply ingrained in Italian culture and is often savored with meals or during social gatherings. Sophia Loren's appreciation for the rich culinary traditions of Italy reflects her connection to her roots and her love for the flavors that have shaped her life. In Italian cuisine, pasta is typically cooked until it reaches an al dente texture, meaning it is still firm to the bite. Here's a general outline of how pasta is commonly cooked. Boiling water. Fill a large pot with water and bring it to a rolling boil. Add salt to the water for seasoning. Adding pasta. Carefully add the desired amount of pasta to the boiling water. Different pasta shapes and sizes may require varying cooking times, so refer to the package instructions for guidance. Cooking time. Stir the pasta occasionally to prevent sticking. Cook it for the recommended time or until it reaches the desired level of tenderness. Remember to taste test the pasta to ensure it is cooked to your preference. Draining. Once the pasta is cooked, carefully pour it into a colander to drain the water. Avoid rinsing the pasta as this removes the starch that helps sauces adhere to the noodles. Sauce preparation. While the pasta cooks, you can prepare your desired sauce. Italian sauces vary greatly, including tomato-based marinara, creamy Alfredo, or olive oil-based sauces with garlic and herbs. Sauce and pasta combination. After draining the pasta, transfer it to a mixing bowl or directly to the saucepan. Toss the pasta with the sauce, ensuring each strand is coated evenly. As for ingredients, Italian pasta dishes commonly include a variety of flavorsome components such as garlic, onions, olive oil, fresh or canned tomatoes, herbs, such as basil, oregano, or parsley, Parmesan cheese, fresh vegetables, for example, mushrooms, spinach, or bell peppers, meat or seafood, for example, pancetta, sausage, shrimp, or clams. These ingredients can be combined in various ways to create delicious and diverse pasta dishes. Experimenting with flavors and textures is part of the joy of Italian cooking. Remember, These are general guidelines, and specific recipes may have additional or different ingredients based on personal preferences and regional variations. Additionally, Sophia prioritizes physical fitness. From yoga and Pilates to swimming and walking, she incorporates a variety of exercises into her routine. Regular movement helps her maintain flexibility, strength, and mental clarity. Sophia Loren, staying healthy isn't just about the body, it's also about nurturing your mind and soul. Surrounding myself with loved ones, pursuing hobbies, and finding moments of tranquility are essential for a fulfilling life. Sophia Loren has emphasized the importance of staying active and incorporating regular exercise into her lifestyle. Here are some exercises that are known to have numerous benefits. Walking. Walking is a simple and effective form of exercise that can be done at any age and fitness level. It helps improve cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles, and promotes overall well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of brisk walking on most days of the week. Yoga. Sophia Loren has expressed an interest in yoga, a practice that combines physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation. Yoga can enhance flexibility, balance, and strength, while also promoting relaxation and stress reduction. Engaging in yoga sessions a few times a week can yield significant benefits. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that provides a full-body workout. It is gentle on the joints while effectively strengthening muscles and improving cardiovascular fitness. If access to a pool is available, swimming a few times a week can be a great addition to a fitness routine. Strength training. Incorporating strength training exercises helps build and maintain muscle mass, which is important for overall strength, stability, and metabolism. This can involve using weights, resistance bands, or bodyweight exercises. Aim for 2 to 3 sessions per week. Focusing on different muscle groups each time. Pilates. Pilates is a method of exercise that focuses on core strength, flexibility, and body awareness. It can help improve posture, balance, and muscle tone. Participating in Pilates classes or following online tutorials a couple of times a week can be beneficial. Remember, it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional or a certified fitness trainer before starting any new exercise routine. They can provide personalized guidance based on individual needs, abilities, and any specific considerations. Sophia Loren has shared wisdom and insights on various topics throughout her life. Here are some famous quotes from Sophia Loren on health, beauty, exercise, and living a fulfilling life. Beauty is how you feel inside, and it reflects in your eyes. It is not something physical. I believe in pink. I believe that laughing is the best calorie burner. I believe in kissing a lot. I believe in being strong when everything seems to be going wrong. I believe that happy girls are the prettiest girls. Nothing makes a woman more beautiful than the belief that she is beautiful. You have to enjoy life. Always be surrounded by people that you like. People who have a nice conversation. There are so many positive things to think about. As we conclude our exploration of Sophia Loren's remarkable life, we realize that her secret lies not only in her timeless beauty but in her unwavering commitment to self-care and living life to the fullest. Sophia Loren serves as an inspiration to us all, reminding us that with determination, passion, and a healthy lifestyle, anything is possible. For more tips, subscribe to this channel, The Healthy Happy Life. Thanks for watching.